Hi, this is Garrison Comstock with Garrison Team Real Estate, and I'm joining you here at my brand new listing in North Hawthorne, 2420 West 116th Street, minutes from SpaceX and from SoFi Stadium. This property is 1,540 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, has a master suite, hardwood floors throughout, totally renovated kitchen with quartz countertops and brand new cabinetry, as well as a finished garage, perfect for converting to an ADU unit. Come check it out for yourself. This is Garrison with Garrison Team Real Estate. I'll see you soon.